Now, I'm quite fond of the Casetify Ultra Impact Case. Why? Because it's a great handling case and it reminds me of one of my old favorite cases, the Griffin Survivor Core. Mostly because of this corner. Now, if both these cases existed now, or this one existed back then, the Survivor Core would actually not score as well as this Ultra Impact. Honestly, I can't think of many things that I don't like about this product. It handles well, it's tough, it looks cool, you can get custom designs. Lots of thought has been given to this product. At MobileReviewsEh, this puppy and I base our reviews on actual usage, or uso real in Spanish, I think. Which means stuff gets used before stuff gets reviewed. Monty reviewed the Casetify Impact Case a few weeks ago, and that case got a score of 4.1 A's out of 5. This Ultra Impact gets a score of 4.2 A's out of 5. The improved handling of the case offsets the extra bulk of the corners from my perspective. Now, there was a lot of deja vu between this product and the one that we just reviewed, the regular Impact, because these products are very, very similar. Now, the Ultra Impact Case is in the top 5 when it comes to clear cases and breaks the top 15 when it comes to overall slim cases, which is pretty good. Now, the iPhone sits tightly in the case. The seams on this product aren't bad, but they're kind of noticeable if you really pay attention to them. The case won't slide around on the front or the back, and it will add over 8mm to the width of the iPhone, so the bulk is noticeable, but is very localized. It's only in the corners, and honestly, these bumps definitely helps with handling. Now, what do I compare these corners to? Kind of like the little finger thing at the end of hair shears. It kind of adds to the bulk of the entire product, but it's definitely handy. And that's the same case for these bumps. So if you're planning on getting a Casetify case, make sure you use my link. It's for the Apple Watch, but it does actually get you discounts for the entire site, which is sweet. Score. When it comes to wear and tear, as I showed in the normal Impact case, the clear back will scratch easier, but there is a lip on the backs of the case to keep that back off a flat surface, which also helps with the wear and tear. And again, this print part is more scratch resistant than the actual clear part, and you can get this case in smoky, clear, pink, and midnight green. And as a side note, when is anything green at midnight? Coloring it is just BS. Overall, the texture of this product isn't bad. I'm not a big fan of TPU edged cases, but the large corners with the printed back just kind of, it offsets the tackiness that I find with TPU cases. Again, it handles well. And honestly, it's all about the corners. Having that little extra piece, well, where your pinky is, just one-handed usage with this product, even with a larger iPhone, pretty good. I almost don't care that it's tougher, it just handles so well. Now, when it comes to using the iPhone inside the product, I have no issues. The port cutouts are big enough for anything you want to use. The camera cutout works as it should. Crowd charging works, and gesturing on the iPhone works despite the slightly larger case edges. Now, when it comes to protection, the Ultra Impact is rated to 9.8 feet, which is 2.987 meters. Not 3 meters or 9.9 feet, it's 9.8 feet. It's under 3 meters. A Monty hair under 3 meters. Was not expecting that to happen. It's always the corners, drop test stuff, always the corners, but you end up every once in a while doing a bad drop, face first, from a good height, you know, but I'm surprised this still works, or the screen protector hasn't cracked or anything. Now, these bumpers are made from G-Tech, Casetify's own branded TPE material. Yay, self-branded TPE material. Now, these corners are made from the same product, and it comes from the inside and it comes out the out. It's just kind of one piece. It's not, these corners aren't glued on. so that's kind of nice. I'll also note that the corners on the inside of the case come with an air pocket, which is something that doesn't happen on the normal impact case. When it comes to drop protection, there is also a slightly higher lip on the bottom of the case and the top of the case. So it's going to add a bit more face-first drop protection. And it's, again, there's so many things that Casetify has done well with this product. And again, as I said before, I'm so surprised that it's taken me this long to review this product. Yeah. Now, kind of as a side note, this case, I love this design. Like, Casetify has so many different designs. There's an address on this case, this 4393 Hôtel de Ville in Montreal, Canada. This actually exists. This is actually a real place. And it's weird that they would do that. I don't know what's there, but it's a real place, and the guy's name, Matt Desjardins. Google searching him does nothing for me. But yeah, odd. That's all I got for this product. Questions, comments, leave them down there. Again, if you want your own case, use my link for the Apple Watches. It's 15% for the Apple Watch straps, but it can also get you 50% off for everything else. So that's pretty sweet. I think this is the last Casetify product I have. Oh no, I'm getting their compostable one. We're gonna see how well that fares against the Pella. That's kind of all I got for this review. Thanks for watching.